All right, today we're gonna try to get some more free food for the goats and horses and stuff. And our neighbor, their yard is kind of overgrown. It's been too wet to mow. So I'm hooking up this hedger to the lawnmower with an inverter. And we're gonna see how good this cuts. I know you're probably asking yourself, why don't you just use a weed eater? We did it this way, so you can just chop it at the bottom and a weed eater's not just tearing all that grass up. That way we can get long pieces, it's easier for us to pick up. Machete time, it's old and rusty. We did a quick little sharpen on it. This is my mom's lucky machete. And so we're gonna see about 5 minutes worth of work, how much grass we can get. All right, that was about, I don't know, I'd say 2 minutes worth of work. So this much grass as we got. Let's see how much go up.
So far it seems like the machete is the way to go over.
The lawnmower, it cut a lot of surface, but it's just a lot more work. You got to go back and rake it up, and it's a bunch of small stuff. And out here, right now, it's all wet and muddy, so it's hard to get the lawnmower and big tractors out here. So if it were up to me, I would just do it with the machete. It's a lot easier. So when you live on the homestead, you're always looking for free grass. This took us maybe 10-15 minutes, if that, to even get 4 bags. Again, when you're homesteading, you want free food as much as you can. To us, this is a win, and never count out hard work to get free food.